In recent years, it seems that every unusual weather event, from scorching heat waves to relentless hurricanes, has been attributed to climate change. But why is this the case? In this video, we will explore the rise of global concern surrounding climate issues, how our understanding of climate change has evolved, and the role media plays in shaping public perception. We will also delve into the scientific evidence behind changing weather patterns, address common misconceptions, and discuss how these factors influence policy and decision-making. Join us as we unpack the reasons behind the narrative and issue a call for urgent global action. 1. The rise of a global concern. In recent years, the subject of climate change has become a major talking point around the world. It seems like every time a storm hits, or a drought occurs, the blame is placed on climate change. This has led to a global concern, as more and more people start to wonder if the climate is really changing before our eyes. The reason behind this growing concern can be attributed to both scientific findings and media representation. As scientific research continues to provide evidence of climate change, the media plays a significant role in highlighting these changes to the general public. This combination of science and media has made the topic of climate change a household discussion, leading to more awareness and concern globally. 2. Understanding climate change. Climate change refers to significant changes in the Earth's climate patterns over a long period. It is not just about the warming of the planet but includes a variety of changes such as shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and melting ice caps. The primary cause of these changes is the increase in greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a warming of the planet. This phenomenon is often referred to as the greenhouse effect. Understanding these concepts is vital, as it provides a foundation for why weather events are often linked to climate change. It's like understanding the rules of a game before you play it. Without this knowledge, it's hard to grasp the full picture. 3. The role of media in climate perception. The media has a crucial role in shaping public perception of climate change. With the rise of digital platforms, information spreads quickly, often leading to a heightened sense of urgency or panic. News outlets frequently cover extreme weather events, and terms like climate crisis or climate emergency are used to capture attention. While this brings awareness, it can also lead to misinformation or exaggerated claims. For instance, a single storm might be reported as a direct result of climate change, even when it's part of natural weather variability. This can lead to confusion and skepticism among the public, making it essential for media outlets to report responsibly and accurately on climate issues. 4. Scientific evidence and weather patterns. Scientific studies have shown that climate change does have an impact on weather patterns, but it's not always a direct cause and effect relationship. For example, while climate change can increase the frequency and intensity of storms, not every storm is a direct result of it. Researchers use complex models to study these patterns and predict future changes. These models take into account a variety of factors, including natural variability and human influence. It's like trying to predict the outcome of a chess game. There are many possible moves and outcomes, and each one can change the course of the game. Understanding this complexity is crucial to accurately attributing weather events to climate change. 5. Public misunderstanding and skepticism. Despite the overwhelming scientific consensus, there is still a significant amount of public misunderstanding and skepticism regarding climate change. This skepticism often stems from misinformation or a lack of understanding of the scientific process. Some people may see a cold winter and question the validity of global warming, not realizing that climate and weather are different concepts. Climate refers to long-term trends, while weather is short-term and can vary greatly. This misunderstanding can be compared to judging a book by its cover. Without reading the entire story, it's difficult to grasp the full narrative. Educating the public on these distinctions is essential for fostering a better understanding of climate change. 6. Impact on policy and decision-making. The growing concern over climate change has significantly influenced policy and decision-making at both national and international levels. Governments are now more focused on implementing policies that aim to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable practices. For instance, the Paris Agreement is a global effort to combat climate change by limiting global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius. Such initiatives are crucial as they set a framework for countries to work together towards a common goal. However, these policies are often met with resistance due to economic and political factors. Balancing environmental concerns with economic growth is a challenge that policymakers continue to face. 7. A call for global action. As the effects of climate change become more apparent, there is a growing call for global action. Organizations, activists, and individuals are advocating for immediate measures to mitigate the impact of climate change. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and promoting sustainable practices. It's akin to a community coming together to clean up a polluted river. Collective effort is needed to make a significant impact. While progress is being made, there is still a long way to go. It's essential for everyone to play their part, as climate change is a global issue that affects us all. 8. Conclusion. In conclusion, while it's tempting to blame every weather event on climate change, the reality is far more complex. Climate change does influence weather patterns, but not every event is a direct result of it. Understanding this complexity is crucial for accurate reporting and public understanding. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, it's essential to remain informed and proactive in our efforts to address this global concern.